Welcome to this video on mastering wire pulling in PVC conduit. This comprehensive guide is designed for professional electricians. We begin with preparation and code requirements. Success in wire pulling starts well before the first wire is fed into the conduit. A critical code requirement is the 360-degree rule, found in NEC 352.26. The total number of bends between pull points cannot exceed 360 degrees or 490-degree elbows. Exceeding this limit causes excessive friction and can damage insulation. Your essential toolkit includes a fish tape, preferably fiberglass near live gear. Use polymer-based lubricant, never soap or oil, to reduce friction by up to 70%. For long runs, the vacuum and line method is the most efficient choice. Proper preparation is key. Deburr every cut to prevent sharp PVC edges from damaging insulation. Verify that all solvent-welded fittings are fully cured. Clear obstructions by blowing air through the line, and remember to check for the 40% fill capacity rule. The vacuum method speeds up the process for long or complex runs. Use a shop vacuum to pull a lightweight mouse, tied to a jet line, through the conduit. Then, tie the jet line to your winch rope or fish tape. Next, we focus on making the head, which is how you connect your conductors to the pull string or fish tape. Securing the wire head correctly is vital for navigating bends. Strip 4 to 6 inches of insulation, loop one wire through the fish tape eye, and stagger the remaining wires. Tightly wrap the head with electrical tape for a slim, snag-free profile. Selecting the right lubricant is essential. Options include yellow 77 wax for short runs, polymer gel for long runs or high heat, winter grade for cold weather, and foam lube for vertical pulls. In a two-person dynamic, the feeder guides the wires, applies lubricant, and ensures no kinks. The puller maintains steady, synchronized tension on the tape without jerking. Pulling tension increases with obstacles, from low in a straight run to extreme in a dirty or wet conduit. Lubrication is mandatory as complexity increases. For final checks, leave at least 6 to 8 inches of free conductor at each box and label both ends immediately. Always check the insulation for any damage after the pull. Be safe and pull smart. These are the image sources used throughout this video.